Good morning, P3 students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 16th of June 2020. So for today's learning target is that we will be able to, okay, so again today is, where's my ruler? Give me a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna use my pen. Okay, so again, today is Tuesday and it's the 16th of June 2020 for our learning objective today. Today is that I can review my answers on page 27 of my learner's activity book. Something's biting my back, maybe an ant. Okay, so here again, our learning target is that for today, you can review your answers of your learner's activity book, page 27. So teacher is going to get the book and please, we will answer it together. So it's your homework, right? A few days ago. And so here is your activity book. So this is a picture of a tree, a branch of a tree, right? And this is a nail. This one is a brick or a blocks. And this is a hat, and this is window. Okay. So here on this line, these are all materials. And this one, the properties. So when we say materials, so materials are things that we use in order to create something. Things that we use in our daily lives, right? So just like this. So we use a hat, but what is the material that is used to make it? So properties are things or words that you can describe about the material. So again, for example, when we say like this pencil, what is the material used to make this pencil? Is it made of metal? Is it made of rubber? Is it made of glass or wood? So this pencil is made of wood. So now if we're going to describe the pencil or the wood, we can say that the wood is hard. This type of wood is not flexible. You cannot bend it. It's not, what's this? This one is not transparent because you cannot see through what's here, but this one is opaque, right? And this one is not shiny. So materials are things that we use to create something, and the properties are what are the distinguishing qualities of that material. So here some words we have strong, is it shiny, is it brown? So also properties is like the size. When you describe it, what's the size, what's the color, the texture, is it hot, is it cold, is it rough, is it smooth, like that. Okay, so here for this branch of a tree, so what's this one? So we're going to connect a line, right? So I'm just going to erase this. I'm just going to erase this one. So this is the wood. So which one? Is it made of plastic, wool, metal, glass, wood? So this one branch of tree is made of wood. So we're going to connect this picture to the word wood, right? So we're going to connect it to the word wood. Next, how about its properties? What are the properties of wood? Is it shiny and strong? Is it brown and rough? Is it smooth or has bright colors? Is it soft or hairy? Soft and then hairy, sorry. Smooth or transparent. So looking at this wood, this branch, so which properties describe this one? So wood, it is what? It is brown and rough, meaning the color of this wood is brown, but here it looks dark, right? So if you look at the wood like this, I can find my ruler, but this one is brown. This is a massage, used to massage. So this one is made of wood and it's color brown. So wood is, the properties of the wood is it's brown, color brown, and also it's not smooth, it's rough. How about this nail? What material is used to make this nail? The nail. Is it plastic, wool, metal, glass, or wood? So we used what? This nail is made of metal. So we're going to connect it to the word metal. And what are the properties of material metal? Is it strong and shiny? Smooth, have bright colors? Is it soft, hairy? Is it smooth, transparent? Metals are very what? Strong, and most of it, metals are shiny. So here metal, the properties of metals are strong and shiny. Next, what's the next picture? We have the blocks. So this block is made of plastic, wool, or glass. This one is made of plastic, right? So we're going to connect it here. How about the properties of plastic? Most plastics are most plastics are what? Smooth, have bright colors, soft or hairy, smooth, transparent. Most plastic are what? Smooth and has bright colors, has different colors. So we're going to connect the plastic to here. All right, next, how about this hat? This hat is made of wool or glass. This hat is made of wool. And what are the properties of wool? Wool is soft and hairy, or is it smooth and transparent? Wool is soft and hairy. How about the glass? Oh no, how about the window? This window is made of glass. So we're going to connect here, glass, and then glass. What is the property of a glass? Glass is smooth and transparent. Again, transparent meaning you can see through. And the opposite of that is opaque. Opaque is you cannot see through it, right? Just like, for example, this is the lid of a container like this. So it means that when you say transparent, like this, so I can still see my eyes, my nose, my mouth, because transparent, it means you can see through. But how about this? This one is a tin can. This is metal. So you see, as if I cover it on my eyes, can you see my eye? No, right? Can you see my nose? No. Can you see my mouth? No. So some things are transparent and some things are opaque, or you cannot see through it. Okay, but like this fabric, like this, actually this is nylon. So this one is translucent. It means that you can see a little bit of my eye, a little bit of my nose, but not, this one is you can see clearly, right? Translucent, light can pass through it. You can see a little bit, but this one very clear. All right, so for your assignment, teacher will post something on the Google document. So for your assignment, you're going to draw whatever is in it, and then you're going to identify, for example, there's a drawing of a glass. So you're going to put like, there's a picture of a glass or a cup, then you will um, write the name of the item, of the object, and then you are also going to write the material, what it is made of. Okay? And also, some of it, you are going to describe or write down the words or properties that describe that certain object. What? Yes, for example, a glass. Is glass hard? Is it soft? And you can use one or two words which you think it can will describe that object. All right. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye.